Digital light timers are a practical, energy-saving tool for automating lamps, holiday lights, fans, and small appliances. They help simulate occupancy, reduce standby energy use, and simplify seasonal decorating without manual toggling. For this comparison, I evaluated 5 widely available digital timers across B&Link, D1 Wills, and Fosman, focusing on program flexibility, user experience, reliability, and build quality. My testing considered ease of setup, accuracy to the minute, memory retention during outages, and how well each model fits typical use cases such as outdoor decor, indoor lamps, and small appliances. Product number 1, B&Link 7-Day Heavy-Duty Digital Programmable Timer. This 2-pack from B&Link delivers a classic 7-day digital timer with 2 grounded outlets controlled simultaneously. Each outlet supports up to 8 on-off programs with minute-level precision, and there is a daylight savings toggle plus a backup battery to preserve settings during power outages. The product is ETL listed and emphasizes outdoor readiness in its outdoor branded counterpart. In this variant, the dual outlet design is aimed at holiday lights, fans, or small appliances that benefit from synchronized scheduling. Performance and use cases. With vents for a 2-outlet load, the timer is suited for symmetrical lighting displays or powering 2 devices in tandem, for example, a pair of lamps or 2 sets of lights that should switch together. The backup battery is a meaningful reliability feature, though it relies on the unit having a powered input to preserve most settings. Product number 2, D1 Wills 24-hour Programmable Digital Timer Outlet. D1 Wills offers a compact 24-hour indoor timer in a 2-pack configuration with a single grounded outlet per timer. It supports 3 daily repeat schedules, always on, auto, always off, and emphasizes a clean, unobtrusive profile with a large display for easy visibility. The product highlights memory retention for up to 3 months during outages and silent operation, making it well-suited for bedrooms, offices, and low-noise environments. Performance and use cases. This timer shines in indoor applications where space is at a premium and a subtle footprint matters, such as side tables, desks, or crowded outlets. The 3-program configuration, persistent memory, and minute-level accuracy make it a practical choice for lamps, fans, aquariums, or hobby equipment. Product number 3, B&Link 7-Day Outdoor Heavy-Duty Digital Programmable Timer. This B&Link outdoor timer brings weatherproofing and an outdoor-rated housing with 2 grounded outlets in a single unit. It supports up to 8 on-off programs per outlet and includes weatherproofing features designed to withstand outdoor conditions. The unit is ETL listed for outdoor use and specifies detailed electrical ratings including 125 volt, 60 Hz, 15 amp max, 1875 W resistive, and 1/2 HP for motor-driven loads. Performance and use cases. The outdoor-rated design makes it ideal for Christmas lights, fountains, or yard decorations that require reliable scheduling in varying weather. The dual outlets being controlled simultaneously is advantageous for synchronized displays, but limits independent programming. The weatherproof housing and heavy-duty build provide confidence for exterior installations. However, product number 4, Fosman 24-hour Programmable Digital Timer Outlet 2-pack. Fosman's 2-pack provides compact, indoor single-outlet timers with a clear LCD display. The timers are designed for domestic use with a straightforward 24-hour program cycle. They emphasize ease of use, a backup battery for settings preservation, and certification. ETL, FCC, ROHS. The compact, low-profile design supports duplex outlets by occupying only one socket while still leaving the adjacent slot usable. Performance and use cases. The large LCD and simple mode-based operation appeal to users seeking quick setup for lamps, heaters, or small appliances. The backup battery ensures resilience during short outages, and the dual-pack pricing offers value for users who need multiple timers across rooms. Product number 5. Doinwill's 24-hour programmable digital timer outlet. This Doinwill's 2-pack expands on the brand's indoor timer line with 2 grounded outlets per timer, 3 programmed daily repeats, and a large display. It specifies 8 settings per timer and emphasizes repeatability with a daily schedule that auto-repeats to simulate occupancy. The product notes memory up to 6 months, silent operation, and broader tungsten resistive load handling, making it versatile for lighting and heaters. Performance and use cases. The 2-outlet design in a compact form factor supports scenarios where 2 devices need synchronized or independent operation across rooms, though the model appears to be 2 outlets per timer. The spec highlights a 2-outlet build. The 125-volt, 60 Hz, 15-amp rating with a 1,000-watt tungsten limit provides flexibility for a range of indoor devices.